Back promises to be quite a positive day for the Nifty and the Sensex today. So we should, before I begin with my forecast for today, Friday, 3rd of July, I must caution that my forecast is just for the trading activity today and is to the best of my judgment. We should see a good opening and good sailing, in fact, right up to 10:40 or so. So initially 1.5 hours were very nice, good trading, positive momentum should be there. And excuse me, after taking a little bit of rest, again the session after lunch from 1:45 onwards, quarter to 2, again good session, good positive momentum, and at some point of time we can even see some very sharp upward moves which may happen. It would not be surprised around 2:15 or so, some very very sharp up moves. So this can happen in the morning session as well, uh, and closer to 10ish, and also in the afternoon around 2:15 or so, very sharp moves, up moves today. So this net till about 10:40, as I mentioned, good upward momentum, and again afternoon after 1:45 or so till the close. I mean, nice session should be there today on of trading on both Nifty and the Sensex. So enjoy the ride today. The momentum seems to be definitely in favor. Bulls will take full advantage of the fact that American markets are closed today on account of Independence Day. So you should see good rallies across the board and enjoy the going. I always come out with my next week forecast sometime on Friday, and I've not yet concluded, but I will be sharing it in my class today, in the Art of Investing class today, and we are starting a new batch next week. So people who would like to be a part should try and WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044, and we can discuss the outlook for the next week and beyond that. But there is a whole host of news that is helping. Positive jobs report. At the same time, there is a negative coronavirus report of cases increasing in the United States, which is becoming, and lots of new cases in a state like Florida, which may cause the Texas, the Florida states to once again go into a lockdown condition. This can act as a negative. There is a fresh talk of Anthony Fauci talking of new second wave rather of coronavirus, and which can disturb the markets as well. So we have positive momentum building up in some ways. Vice President Mike Pence talks that there will be more reopening of the economy. So now this is at contradiction with what Anthony Fauci is talking about, more cases being reported. Now where this will all finally settle, how far the markets have gone, is something which needs to be understood. Do not forget that in India the put call ratio is now something like 1.6 to 1. Now that normally indicates also an overbought market. This put call ratio is a very important indicator, and it's turning in this manner is not a very happy scenario. Yet today I expect the market to be in quite a cheerful mood. Enjoy the ride today. But again, I repeat before I conclude, this is to the best of my judgment analysis. And secondly, and I believe in the options expiration date, most people who have been following me did benefit immensely. I mentioned it will be good till 2 o'clock, and it was very nice market. After that, you could see the markets going down, as I had mentioned in my video. So that also came to be fine. I mentioned at last half an hour, 15 minutes, you will see the market going up again, which also you saw. I hope this prediction turns right, but again, this is my best judgment analysis, which I'm giving you. Use your own discretion while investing, and if you would please do subscribe and be a part of the channel so you get more of these video updates. And as I mentioned, like to be a part of this course, then feel free to WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. Have a nice, positive and cheerful day, and happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.